Good day, everyone. So this is Sir Alan A. Custodio from the Philippines. I am currently teaching grade 7 student here in the Nueva Ecija, Philippines. So my school is Julio Ortiz Luis National High School. So I've been teaching almost 10 years of now. And as of now, I am a Quizzes certified game changer and I am a Quizzes certified AI educator. So my tutorial today is how to create AI flashcard. So let's dive in. So first we click the Wayground logo. It is quizzes, but now it is a Wayground. So another uh, mini step is to click the create. It is very simple. So it is my favorite. So we will choose a flashcard. Okay. So a flashcard can be generated through the page, through the document, through the topic, or through the article. But we will choose a document, okay, and upload from my device. One of my PDF document. So let's open it and let's see how Wayground create it like a magical because AI can do the task. We'll choose uh, what items or how many items. So I will click only 10 and generate a flashcard. Okay. So generate, just click the generate. So now I am exhausted my monthly AI account. So I have a sample of this one because my account is not premium. So I will wait for the meantime. You can generate tens at least in a 1 month. So in my library, I already create this one, the flashcard. So this one. So I have a 14 flashcard right now, and this what is look like. Okay. So now when we click the preview, we will see what it's look like. So I will click preview. Okay, and we will see it is generated by WaveGraph. It's a very nice having a background music. So when we click this one, we'll see what is the answer to our flashcard. And it is very um, catchy. Okay, so what is photography? Photography is the process of capturing image on film or other mediums. Okay, so it is very engaging. And I will cross this one and let's go back. So we can assign it to our Google Classroom as well. So we can click this one. We can also continue and we can assign to our classroom. So like this Wakelet. So next, and we can have a description, a practice or a flashcard like that. Okay, and next, and follow the instruction, and next, and it will be in our Google Classroom. See, the student assigned is 34. So the quiz has been assigned to our Google Classroom. And you notice, it is zero completed because I um, beginning to send this reviewer to them. So here in the Philippines, we are in a typhoon. So in the different kinds of situation, quizzes can help us, and I think it is a very good reviewer to all kind of student. So we can click this one, need to share to click, or we can see back to our Wayground, and we can see the classes. So what are the classes do? So if we click this Wakelet, we can see the different kind of tasks that you made. So I am a trial version, so we cannot see, but in our Google Classroom, we see the different kinds of um, okay, let's take a look in our Google Classroom. It is already up smashing in our this one. Okay, so there are the sample of activity that I shared. So it is up smashing to Google Classroom, Wayground to Google Classroom. It is very good to see that we are in line with the different kinds of combination of application today, Wayground and Google Classroom, or in Microsoft Teams. So it is very nice. So we can see the classwork. So flashcard reviewer. So it is linked to our quizzes or Wayground. So that's it for today. So I am Alan Custodio from the Philippines, and thank you for everyone. And this is one of my endeavor to be with you in the trainer soon. So thank you from the bottom of my heart, and um, see you.